Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan and you are watching FindGap YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can take backup of your MongoDB Atlas database. So inside my MongoDB Atlas, you can see that I have these collection at the moment, and using command line, I'm going to take backup of all of them. So the first step is you need to go to Google and type here MongoDB command line database tools. You can click on this link, and once you will click on that, this page will be open to you, and you can see that we need to download this tool, MongoDB command line database tools. From here you can select the MSI and click on download. Once you will download that MSI file, you will see this type of file. You just need to double click on that and you will see the setup, and simply you need to click next and finish. So this MongoDB database tool will be installed on your computer. The next thing is you need to go to C drive, click on program files, MongoDB folder, then tools folder, then 100, then bin. So you need to reach to this folder first. Then you can click here and type here cmd. It will open a command prompt in front of you. Okay, then this is the last thing you need to focus on. You will type this command in your command prompt, MongoDB -URI is equal to, in these double quotes, you will actually paste your MongoDB URI. That will look something like this. Make sure to replace your password and username in these places. So you need to paste your correct MongoDB URI, okay? And then you will type -out is equal to, here you need to provide the paths that where you want to save your backup in your PC. So at this moment I'm going to place like this, and here I will paste this example MongoDB, and just you need to copy this, paste this command here and press enter. Obviously before pressing enter, what I will do, I will replace this MongoDB URL with my actual MongoDB URL, okay? So once you will press enter with your correct MongoDB URL, then simply you will go to your C drive and you will see this folder, my Mongo backups. If I click on that, you can see that we have warehouse, and in real time, yes, we have a warehouse. This was actually the name of my database, and if I click on that, you can see that the reading exams.bson and the tests.bson. So everything have been backup successfully. Now you can easily restore that to maybe new MongoDB Atlas account or whenever you need. So actually, in simple, after installing these MongoDB command line database tools, you need to make sure to understand this URL, and just even each time running this command, you can take backup for your database, which is very important if you are building application, because if anything happens to you on your live database, you can restore from there. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.